Ciao amici, let's do something insane. How about 100% hydrated Roman dough at home? You're going to start out with 1,200 grams of Caputo Nuvola Super flour along with 1,200 grams of ice cold water. Then you're going to need 4 grams of instant dry yeast, 25 grams of fine sea salt, and 50 grams of extra virgin olive oil. Go ahead and put all the flour into the bowl and then dissolve the yeast into the water. Now, you're going to put a little bit of that water on the side so that you can dissolve the salt later on. Start the machine on the first speed and start to mix. You'll notice that with the paddle attachment, it's going to start to pull away from the bowl. When that happens, go ahead and turn the machine up to speed number 4. Once you see that the dough is pulled away from the bowl, go ahead and cover this for 20 minutes with plastic wrap. Now, start the machine again and slowly add the salt water, the remaining water with the salt. You're going to continue mixing slowly until it starts to pull away from the bowl, and then bring the speed up to number 4, slowly adding all of the olive oil in there. Now, go up to speed number 10. Really whip this. As you can see, the dough is going to pull away really easily. Cover for 20 minutes. Put the hook on the bowl, and then you're going to do this 3 more times. You're going to continue mixing on the highest speed until it comes away from the bowl. Look at the texture of this dough. It's amazing. Give it a couple of folds and refrigerate this for 24 hours before